Hello dear students, in English Marigold, today we are going to read the lesson The Milkman's Cow. Okay, you will find this lesson on page number 97. So let us start this chapter. The Milkman's Cow. The milkman's cow was in a bad mood. It sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. The milkman begged the cow to get up. The children are waiting for their milk to help them grow strong. Please get up, he pleaded. He pulled and tugged and prayed. But the cow was not going anywhere that day. Along came a policeman, his buttons and buckles gleaming bright. "Humph," he said, twirling his long mustache. "I will show you how to do it right." The policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. But the cow was not going anywhere that day. Along came a grocer with bags of potatoes and peas. He said, "I will move this cow with the greatest of ease." The grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. But the cow was not going anywhere that day. Along came a wrestler, his muscles gleaming in the sun. He said, "I have the strength of 10 horses, so this should be fun." The wrestler, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. पेज नंबर 98 पे है ये. नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू द पेज नंबर 99. ओके, but the cow was not going anywhere that day. Along came the ice cream man, jingling his cart. Cool down, it cannot be too hard." The ice cream man, the wrestler, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged. But the cow was not going anywhere that day. Along came a little boy. He began to grin. He said, "These grown-ups, look at the mess they." We will move on to the next page. Next page पे जाएंगे. So this is page number 100. Let us read it. are in. It is not such a difficult problem. I learned in the second class that human beings eat rice and wheat and cows eat grass. He held out a sheaf of tasty green. The cow began to chew. He slowly led her to the side, for he knew what to do. The grocer clapped. The policeman twirled his stick in joy. The wrestler grinned. The ice cream man whooped at the cleverness of the boy. The milkman happily clattered his pail. Being kind and loving is best, for force and strength can fail. Okay, so dear students, this story is written by Vidya Pradhan. The author of this story is Vidya Pradhan. Okay, so dear student, you go through this chapter, you read this chapter today. Okay, thank you.